It's the best way I've described it to the kids is a glue gun on 4 axes. Lots of people think they're really complicated. They're not really. You have a feed for plastic. We're using a PLA, which is a polymer which doesn't have a smelly residue. ABS, the plastic you're used to, has a smelly residue. It's not very nice in classrooms. PLA doesn't have that, so it's just fed from this tube as a solid piece of plastic, and the head's at 200 degrees and melts it. And then you have your horizontal and vertical axes, and then your depth on the plate. So this thing just knows where it's positioning the head and squirts a bit of plastic out. Yeah.
Take it out, put it on the classroom.